Most pickup truck owners pay $150 for a reset they could do themselves in just a short period of time with no tools. I'm talking about real fixes used by actual mechanics. One of these 9 tricks is simple, but I bet you have skipped it for years. If you skip watching any of these, your truck could definitely lose up to 12% efficiency. In just a few seconds, I'll show you exactly which 9 tricks can help reset your pickup truck instantly that mechanics keep them as secrets. Number 9. The ignition key cycling reset. This method works because your truck's engine control unit, or ECU, goes through specific initialization sequences every time you turn the key. Most truck owners have no idea that there's a precise pattern that forces the ECU to clear certain error codes and recalibrate its learning parameters. Here's exactly how you do it. Make sure your truck is completely off and all accessories are turned off. Insert your key and turn it to the on position, but don't start the engine. You'll see all your dashboard lights come on. This is exactly what we want. Hold this position for exactly 30 seconds. Now turn the key completely off and wait another 30 seconds. Repeat this cycle 3 more times for a total of 4 cycles. What's happening during this process is fascinating. Your truck's computer is running through its self-diagnostic routines and clearing temporary fault codes that might be causing performance issues. Many pickup trucks, especially those with higher mileage, develop ghost problems that aren't actually mechanical failures, but rather corrupted data in the ECU's memory. This reset clears that corrupted data and gives your truck a fresh start. Number 8. Battery disconnection reset. Simply disconnecting your battery for a few minutes isn't enough. Professional mechanics know that modern pickup trucks store energy in capacitors throughout the electrical system, and these need to be fully drained for a complete reset. Start by turning off your truck and removing the keys. Pop your hood and locate the negative battery terminal. Use a wrench to loosen the negative cable clamp and remove it completely from the battery post. Now here's the crucial step most people miss. You need to touch the negative cable to the positive battery terminal for about 10 seconds. This drains all residual power from the truck's electrical system and forces a complete ECU reset. Leave the battery disconnected for at least 15 minutes. Some mechanics recommend 30 minutes for trucks that have been showing persistent problems. When you reconnect the battery, make sure the connection is tight and secure. Your truck will need to relearn its idle characteristics and fuel trim settings, so don't be alarmed if it runs slightly rough for the first few minutes. Here's the quick check. Are you starting to realize how much money these little-known resets can save you? Good, because this next trick is what separates regular owners from real truck pros. No 7. Use an OBD2 scanner. While you might think this requires expensive equipment, you can actually purchase a basic OBD2 scanner for under $50. Every pickup truck manufactured after 1996 has an OBD2 port, usually located under the dashboard on the driver's side. Professional mechanics use OBD2 scanners not just to read codes, but to perform what's called a global reset. This clears all learned parameters and forces every module in your truck to start fresh. Plug the scanner into your OBD2 port with the ignition off, then turn the key to the on position without starting the engine. Navigate to the Clear Codes function on your scanner and select Clear All Codes. But here's where mechanics go one step further. After clearing the codes, they perform what's called a readiness cycle. This involves following a specific driving pattern that allows all the truck's monitors to complete their self-tests. Drive at steady speeds between 45 and 60 miles per hour for at least 10 minutes. Then perform several gentle acceleration and deceleration cycles in stop-and-go traffic. Number 6. Throttle body relearn procedure. It's incredibly effective for fixing rough idle, hesitation during acceleration, and poor fuel economy issues that plague many pickup trucks. Start with your truck parked and the parking brake engaged. Turn the ignition to the on position. but don't start the engine. Now press the accelerator pedal slowly and smoothly all the way to the floor and hold it there for exactly 10 seconds. Release the pedal completely and turn the ignition off. Wait 30 seconds, then start your truck normally. What you're doing is teaching the ECU the full range of your throttle body's movement. Over time, carbon deposits and wear can change how your throttle body operates, and the ECU's learned parameters might not match the actual physical position anymore. This reset eliminates that confusion and often results in immediate improvements in throttle response and fuel economy. Number 5. Soft ECU drain using battery jumper cables. It's particularly effective for pickup trucks that have been sitting for extended periods or have been experiencing intermittent electrical problems. This method goes deeper than a simple battery disconnection because it actively drains stored energy from multiple electrical systems simultaneously. You'll need a set of jumper cables for this procedure. With your truck off and keys removed, disconnect both battery terminals. Now take your jumper cables and connect one red clamp to the positive battery post and the other red clamp to the positive cable you just removed. Do the same with the black clamps on the negative side. This creates a closed loop that allows residual energy to drain from the electrical system more completely than other methods. Leave this setup for around 15 to 30 minutes. This extended drain time ensures that even the most stubborn stored energy is completely depleted, forcing every electronic module in your truck to perform a complete initialization when power is restored. When you reconnect everything, your truck's computer systems will be in their factory default state. Number 4. Focuses on your truck's fuel system learning parameters. Modern pickup trucks constantly adjust fuel delivery based on factors like altitude, temperature, driving habits, and fuel quality. Sometimes these adjustments drift so far from optimal that performance suffers significantly. With your truck running and fully warmed up, find a safe stretch of road where you can maintain steady speeds. Drive at exactly 55 miles per hour for 5 minutes without touching the accelerator pedal. Your cruise control is perfect for this if your truck has it. Then accelerate smoothly to 70 miles per hour and maintain that speed for another 5 minutes. Next, decelerate gradually back to 55 miles per hour and maintain that speed for 5 more minutes. This driving pattern forces your truck's ECU to recalibrate its fuel delivery maps under controlled conditions. Many truck owners report immediate improvements in power delivery and fuel economy after performing this reset procedure. Number 3. Your truck's transmission learning parameters. Automatic transmissions in modern pickup trucks are incredibly sophisticated, with computer controls that learn your driving patterns and adjust shift points accordingly. Sometimes, this learned behavior works against you, especially if previous drivers had very different driving styles. Start this reset with your truck running and fully warmed up. Put the transmission in drive and come to a complete stop with your foot firmly on the brake pedal. Now, without moving your foot from the brake, shift through every gear position: park, reverse, neutral, drive, and any manual shift positions your truck might have. Hold each position for exactly 5 seconds before moving to the next. Return to drive and drive normally for about 20 miles, making sure to experience a variety of driving conditions, including city streets, highway speeds, hills, and stop-and-go traffic. Your transmission's computer will relearn optimal shift points based on current conditions rather than outdated learned behavior. Number 2. Your truck's idle air control system. This is particularly important for pickup trucks because they often operate under varying load conditions, sometimes empty, sometimes hauling heavy trailers or loads in the bed. The ECU tries to maintain proper idle speed under all these conditions, but sometimes its learned parameters become confused. With your truck running and warmed up, turn on every electrical accessory you have. headlights, air conditioning at maximum, radio, heated seats if equipped, and any auxiliary lights. Let the truck idle in this high electrical load condition for exactly 10 minutes. The ECU will adjust idle speed to compensate for the increased load on the alternator. Now turn off all accessories and let the truck idle normally for another 10 minutes. This teaches the ECU the full range of idle conditions it might encounter and helps eliminate rough idle problems that many pickup truck owners experience. Number 1. A comprehensive system reset. This is reserved for trucks that have multiple ongoing issues or haven't responded well to individual reset procedures. Start by performing the battery disconnection reset with the extended drain procedure. While the battery is disconnected, remove all fuses from your truck's fuse boxes for 30 minutes. This ensures that even backup power systems are completely drained. Reinstall all fuses, reconnect the battery, and perform the ignition key cycling procedure, followed immediately by the throttle body reset. Take your truck for a comprehensive test drive that includes the fuel system reset driving pattern and the transmission reset procedure. This complete system reset essentially returns your pickup truck to its factory computer settings while allowing all systems to relearn optimal parameters based on current conditions. After introducing these 9 tricks that reset your pickup truck instantly, which ones surprised you the most? Comment below and share your thoughts with the reason why.